is this? Yeah, so guys, see, there is a reason like total quantity we have, total sales, total profit, but the profit percentage is 39. What is calculating the 39? Okay, so I will tell you in calculator what is the formula is what is date calculation. See, the total profit we have a 23,598. Okay, and when you divide by 60,507, 507, it will give you a back 39 point, means 39 percentage for the, on the basis of sales we have a profit percentage, but now we want a profit percentage by the date. Okay, by the date column, by the day column. Suppose in the total day we have a 365 day. Okay, so we want a total profit percentage by this kind of column. So how to calculate? You can just click on new measure, and here you can write profit percentage, and in bracket you can use a time or day or date, anything. Date, you can write it date. Profit percentage by date. So date is what, like you have to enter a shift enter. Okay, for shift enter you can move down to the next line, because in Excel you have entered just enter, but in Power BI you can enter a shift enter. So right now we calculate a two variable. Variable is what, for calculation of profit is by the date column. So you can use a var. Var is called as variable, and variable is called, see, total profit is equal to, we have a total profit measure. So you can enter this one. Var total profit is equal to total profit. Okay, this first var is first variable is stated. Now you can use a shift enter to move down. Now second var is equal to all total profit except all total profit by date column. Right now we need a all total profit by date. So you can use a calculate function, like yesterday or day before yesterday I told you, calculate function is a very important function to any advanced measure code. Okay, so right now we are using a calculate function, and calculate, see, calculate is saying you regarding the expression. So expression is what, you want the total profit for by the location or by the state or by the date. Okay, so you can use here a profit. Profit means profit measure, this one. And you can use comma, and then you can use a filter function. So filter means you have a total all profit. All profit means you have a date wise profit, you have a location wise profit, but it will show you, it will tell you that calculate total profit by the your filter. Like if you want a total profit by a date column, so you can use a date table, because you can use which table, date table for the date. So you can use a date table for the date and click enter. Sorry. Uh, this one is only just a calculating. So right now we are calculating just total profit and all total profit, and it will not return the complete value. So you can use once again shift enter and then return. Returns means this two formula, this two variable divided, these two variable divided by each other means a total profit. See, this one is variable is created x and y, total profit, and divide by all total profit means this one. And click on enter. See, when you click on enter, your profit percentage by date is ready now. So we are going to move this one, profit percentage by date, and click this one into category. Profit percentage by date is given, total is 1%, so you can use profit percentage by date and go to percentage. See, we have a total complete answer. 0.21% a day wise means a total profit, and calculate under the calculator you have, where is the calculator? Yeah, this way. Okay. See, the value is 23,598, 23,598, and divide by total profit 1114, sorry, 11493 and 74 and 1 is equal to 0.0020, means the answer is this one. So when you calculate it into by 100, the value is 0.02 and this answer is same 0.2021. Okay, so that is the reason. Right now this profit is calculated by total profit by sales, and this profit is calculated by 0.21, means profit by a date. See, for this visualization, if you use a date table for only, right now we are using a year, we have a year also. See, year wise profit also. See, total profit, we have a total 3 years, and 3 years quantity sold, sales price, total profit, and profit percentage by year wise 32, 32, 30. But the profit percentage by total year wise means 46, 42, 872 divided by 11493 741 is 40.39, 41 and 17, and total percentage we have a 100%. So guys, tell me any doubt in this measure, profit percentage by date or profit percentage? You can understand the difference between both. What is profit percentage using and what is profit percentage by a particular location, particular date, particular year. Any doubt? Okay, so I just copy this one and paste. Again paste. Again paste. Again. And one more time. See, the one measure is calculated just for, suppose right now we are using year wise. Suppose in this formula we are not using a year wise, you can just use financial year. What is financial year? Let me tell. 18, 19, 20. It's also the same things. Okay, so either you use financial year wise as well as, okay, so this kind of changes you can make into this data. And for financial year, suppose if you want a month of the year, shorter year, yeah, short year, or yeah, short year, financial year, you can switch on, use the shorter year. Shorter year means just the 18, 19 and 20, not a complete year like 18, 19 and 20. Okay, so shorter year is this kind of date. So why we calculate this kind of, because we have a date table into the larger value. Okay, so there is a one more reason you can use directly into this, increase the value date, and for this you can use a date whatever you want, like total quantity. And now suppose year you have, okay, right now we need a quarter wise, so you can just click on only just a quarter wise sales. See, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4, we have a total sales. And you can use a simple visualization according to this as well as, so that is the reason why we creating this kind of sales or this kind of quantity data. Right now we are using not only the year, right now we are using a month wise, sorry, quarter. No, we can use a date wise. See, date wise we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a day wise. Okay, so day 1 is for every total year. Day 1 for all 3 years. So total day 1 we have a total quantity sold 101. But if you want a regular sale, then you can use a complete date. Right now it's a date, and so we have a total 31st date in a total month. Total days is 31st in our total 3 years. So if 29 sales means a 29 day for every month, and every year we have a 991 only total sales for day wise. So you can use just this according to go to move the year and date. Right now we need not year, not quarter, not day. We need a month wise, so you can use up to the down. See, the month wise sales is already there for you. And see the percentage of differences between every time. See, the January we have a 9.32%, day one we have a 3.69%, quarter one we have a 27.5%, year we have a 40, financial year we have a 40, and this because these three are the same and these three are the different. So there is a reason behind this. Okay. So but at the end we have a see 100% profit. So just one measure we have created, and it's all the things between this one measure we have written, and it divided into all the time intelligence measure, because we are using a date function for creating a measure. See, total profit by date means we are using a date function. See, this date, if you calculate the any location wise, it's the same formula, control A and control C. Now we are using a third page. Right now I remove this one as a table, and fourth page second. Suppose first we go to the check whatever the location we have. Okay. So instead of location we have a city FL, yeah, Florida. Okay. So we have a FL state. So now we are using a profit by state, means you can just click on this new measure and you have copy the paste the formula directly. You can just paste it here and you can just change this the all total profit. Instead of date table you can use a location wise state, location wise area code, yeah, state code or state. Okay, so we are using a state and return all the things correct. For date we have, yeah, here we have a click adjust, go to table. Not instead of date, not we are using a location. So location we have, and we have a state. See, total state we have, and now you are using a total quantity, total sales, total, where is profit, this one is profit, and profit percentage. See, when you calculate the profit percentage, it is the same value 32.52, but when you're using a profit percentage by location, sorry, what is the difference? Total profit by state, just check. All total profit by this same, why it is showing error. Location, bracket, use calculate. white. Just a minute, yeah. Total profit, quantity, sales. Let me check with the location. Location ID wise, location ID. State code, type, area. Go to this one. International sales we have. Go to the location wise. State code or state. You can use the type of city. Just a minute. Total profit by location. Cannot see or this won't see details. Let me just check with the analyzer key. Cannot convert the value container of type definite true value and this. Okay, no worry. You can remove this one. Instead of location state, we are using state code if you want. Calculation error 1926 measure key measure cannot convert the value CT of type text. CT state code. Don't summarize data category we have. True value. I think there is some error. No worry. We can use this one into the next class because there is some error between the data we have. Because we are using a some all the things like concatenate. Yeah, there is a one error. Maybe you can use directly go to here, and there is a one more function for you. You can just right click. Under the home tab, go to transform data. Because sometimes there is a alphabetical is not matching with your data, so go to the location table and check this text size. See location ID we have a ABC. Okay, name we have a ABC, country we have, state we have, state code we have ABC. Because always need to check with the this date type as well as sorry data type. And city, town, all the things are same. Yes, one more thing. Under the state tab, you can directly click and go to the transform and see there is an option lowercase, uppercase, capitalized each word. So you can use capitalize each word for your data state column and go to the international sales. Okay, right now we don't have any sales column for this in this sites. That may be the error because location ID we have and location ID we have a ABC text. You can just refresh this one. Location ID we have a ABC and instead of location table we have location ID we have ABC. Both are the same. Preview maybe old version. Okay, now please close and apply. Now try just one time. If it is okay, then okay. Otherwise, we will move the next one. See, every changes when you made, every time your file will be refreshed for every data. Right now, because we have written a correct formula, but maybe the data type some error. Okay, so I will move next one. Next one is like instead of state we have, suppose we have a customer. Okay, so we have a customer name here. We have a customer name. So customer name wise we have a total sales and total profit and total this. So see, if you want a top 10 customer in your data, top 10, so how to evaluate a top 10 on the basis of see profit or on the basis of sales. If you want a top 10 customer, so you can just click on this visualization and go to this filter, and there is an option is a customer. So you can use, instead of basic you can use top 10, and you can use top 10 if you want. Suppose if you want top 20, and on the basis of profit percentage, no, on the basis of total profit, apply. Okay, and see you have only just a 20%, 20 customer only you have. See, you have only just a 20 customer. We have a larger sales value, a larger profit value. See, 28,397 is a number one profit, and 26,598. And also, you can use your formatting the table between two types. Like there is a style between, so there's a many style like minimal, okay, bold header, this kind of. Also you can change the color also, or you can also change the like style with your own style. Like if you want something on, so you can directly just click on none, and you can use by grid column header. Always choose the color according to your need or according to your style as well as, okay. But this kind of style is already you have done for given by just a Power BI. Okay, so you, if you want to use this kind of style, then it's okay. If you don't want, then you can make your own style by custom, like grid, custom column header, value, total, field formatting. Okay, so everything you can make. Also you can use a conditional formatting. So under the conditional formatting, there is some things like, see, there is a background color. If you on a background color, just switch on the above part. Yeah, this one is on. No, I don't need this type. Right now I move the style and go to none. Then I show you the total conditional formatting for this data. See, under the Excel we have a written a conditional formatting for a multiple value, multiple formula, but here we don't need, because see, if you want customer on the total sales price, okay, total sales price we need. So click on background color. See, your background color is lower means a lower sale, higher sale means a higher sale. Also you can use advanced control. Advanced control means you can change the color. See, lowest value, if you want a red, you can use more red color, okay. And for the highest value, if you want to use green, then you can use a green value. Highest total sales price, lowest value is this one, and enter the highest value is this, and you can use OK and see your total sales. Highest value is lowest value is the red one, and highest value is the green one. This kind of also. And the size, no, it's good for you. Text size, okay. See, the larger and higher, and there's a many types of your formatting, like conditional formatting. Like go to this table. Instead of size, you can search just conditional formatting. Okay, so conditional formatting you can do a column wise, like customer name. If you want a customer name conditional formatting, if you want a total, suppose profit percentage wise, so you can use profit percentage. And right now you want to use a data bar. Data bar is like this: the higher the data bar showing, the higher the profit. Okay, or also you want icons. Icons is a very great, see red, green, this kind of icon. Also you want a advanced control. See profit percent 0 to 33%. If you want to use this one, red, this one is a red. And 33 to 67 if you want a moderate in this one. And for green you can use this. And then okay, see your profit icon is changes. Okay, so it will show you that red value is the last profit 0 to 33, the moderate value is 33 to 67, or green value is showing more than 67. So if your manager asking you please tell us the more than 67%, then you can directly tell us the Adam, this two customer, these three, these four, five, six, these six customer, we have a more than 67% profit percentage by these customer only. Okay, so less than 33 percentage we have a one, two, three, four, but this calculated under the total 20 customer we have. So this kind of contextual formatting, there is a 5 tools. First one is background, font color, data bars, icons, as well as web URL. But also you can use the advanced control for every data regarding your options. Suppose if your manager asks you 20% profit, we have a red, and 20 to 50 moderate, means yellow, and 50 to 51 to 100 is a green value. So you can use moderate according to your changes. So this is the advanced table. Between this kind of table formatting, we have done some conditional formatting for this. And click on border and expand. So your table is ready. So there is a many more measure for now. So guys, tell me anything in doubt is here. And also you can use a visualization instead of table also. See, this is visualization. You can just click copy and go to page 2 or page 3, paste it here. Okay, and also paste it here and then click on any visualization. Suppose if you want this kind of visualization, your visualization is ready. Or if you want this kind of, see total quantity, total sales, total profit. So if you want shared axis, we have a date, and column value we have a total quantity. So I don't need total sales. Okay, profit percentage is not there, this one. So see this kind of data you can okay with the visualization, and use the formatting just once. See if you want a legend off, legend is this value is off, what happened, yeah. And then also you can use a data label and change the label of this color like black. You can use a formatting instead of table as well as visualization. We have a total quarter 1 we have a sales is 10 million and profit we have a 3.2 million. Since we have 9.5, so every time our sales is reduction. So also you can use go to this and analyze and explain the decrease, why it is decreased 8.8 to 7.1, why it is decreased. Here's the analysis of 18.93 decrease in the sales price. I think there is some error in my Power BI. So let me check with again. Okay. Because there is some advanced analysis. Maybe my Power BI expert is doing some in the background. Maybe I'm not going through that what is the issue between my Power BI. But yes, I will check and let you know, because there is an analyzer done with this. Okay, so you if you want to go to your Power BI, okay, there is an analyze so that you can explain the difference, and there is an option regarding this. The all the things are done regarding why is it decreasing, in which sector we are decreasing 8.8 to 7.1. I will try and get back to soon that what is the issue in Power BI. Okay, I will analyze your data that 8.8 to 7.1 mean totally decreasing is 18.98%, but why it is decreasing, there is a reason. So it will show you the reason in Power BI. That is the usable tool in analyze explain the increase, because right now I cannot found any decrease situation. So you can use visualization also for this. So guys, tell me any doubt regarding anything? Pawan, Hemlata, Jasmeet, any doubt?
Sir, I need to know like the functions which you have written for formulas,
Okay.
like we are declaring the variable with var.
Mhm.
Which language is that? Is it in
Uh,
Python or R or what?
no, it is just a normal variable is written into the Power BI, and it is just a very normal function. It is not as much more advanced because
Okay.
see, yes, see, why we are using an advanced. Okay, let me show you profit by date. See, why we are using those variable, because we cannot calculate the two function different, because see, total profit we have already. Okay, this one we have already created total profit, but why it is a total profit? See, all total profit means a calculate total profit. Okay, total profit we have already, but we have using a filter for only the date, means we are extracting the, instead of total profit we are extracting the only the date wise profit. Okay, so that is the reason to use this one only. This is the main thing, because this is the just a filter function. So we are creating a two variable because we need a percentage by only divide. Okay, because percentage function we have a divide function, total profit divide by total sales. Okay, see, if you calculate all total profit, this formula again, and you can just divide. See, let me do just this one and move to the new measure. Click this, all total profit by date. Maybe it is written correct. Yeah, all total profit we have written by date only. Then suppose if you want to create profit percentage by date, simply just a simple formula you can write down, profit percentage. Percentage. What is the profit? How to calculate profit? Just divide total profit. Okay, and you can use all total profit. Click enter. Just so you can use profit by date this function also. But why we creating a measure? See, all the things are same. When you this one profit by date, this one into the table, it's a 100% go to date. See, profit percentage by date, this one is also same. And what is the next one? This one, go to this percentage. See, the all the values are same for those, but the calculation method is different. See, when you calculate this formula is divided, just divide all total profit by date only, and you can use this function is all total profit by date only. You can use, see, under this method we are using a two variable, and two variable is showing as a two measure different. Okay, so divide function is calculating by measure only, total profit and all total profit. So these two measure we have created, because this measure is already we have, so this measure we are creating every time. Okay, so there is a reason to maintain, because profit percentage by date you can directly click on the all total profit. But yes, tell me, every time if you want to substitute your profit divided into category, location, customer, so you can always, every time you can use it all total profit by date, by customer, by location, by city. Okay, so there is a no need to calculate every time. You can just click profit percentage by date, and every time not need, you can just create a just variable for this, so you can use your formula by this method. Now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so any other doubt? Because see, when you make the familiar with the some of the DAX function, after that you don't have any doubt regarding this, so no worry, you can just prepare your practice onto Power BI. So guys, the last project, restaurant project, how many of you send it to me the file? Anyone? I got a one file from someone. I don't know who. But yes, one file from someone maybe. So guys, please make sure and please submit your file before today because today is Wednesday. Okay, please submit your file tomorrow till tomorrow because one day I want to review this file and then give you the decision regarding this, that what is the error or what is the my findings, so that you can prepare a new file for this, whatever the my review and my suggestion. Okay, so please submit file guys, because see, practice is a very main thing. If you don't need to make practice, because see, in every project we are using a approx 20-30 project 20-30 visualization, as well as 20-30 measure, different kinds of measures, so we can use a more than advanced and advanced. So right, please make try to make some attractive dashboard, so that you are able to make, because see, when you're going for an interview, your manager or your HR directly ask you to that how many dashboard you have created in your total life circle. So you can directly tell him that I have created a multiple dashboard, this kind of, so you can take screenshot on your desktop and save with your uh, profile. Okay, so that will help you to increase your job profile as well as. Okay, because dashboard presentation is a very main thing at the end, not this kind of presentation. You can use a complete presentation. Okay, card value we have, a date range we have, a text box we have, also all the things we needed. Okay guys, so can we close the session for today?
Okay.
Okay, so guys, if you have any doubt, then you ask me for tomorrow session. I will share this file to you, make practice on this. Okay, I will share this file to you after some times, and then we will discuss whatever you need to know